Pawsom Fun and Frugal. I just wanted to jump on here with a short video to show you how I managed to challenge myself not to cheat at Christmas dinner. It was hard because I like to, sample other people's cooking. My daughter's a very good cook, and I usually will have just a little bit of this and that, but then I feel horrible the next day. I'm tired and I'm sore and do have some flare-ups from kind of overdoing it a little bit. But I'm going to take it easy this weekend, and let me show you what I made for my Christmas dinner and what I'm going to be playing with. Well, maybe that's another video. I have a surprise video coming up, an unboxing of sorts. So stay tuned for that. That needs to be another video. But I'm going to show you what I made for Christmas dinner and what I'll be eating as a frugal person for the next week or so to save money and reduce my cooking. Let me show you what I made homemade butternut squash, sweet potatoes, a Beyond Meat meatloaf, and a green apple streusel. I also made some spiced apple juice to use to make apple cider, but I left that with my grandson because he likes it. I have to make some more. It was good. So this is what I made for Christmas dinner, and it's all that I ate, and it's what I will be finishing up for the rest of this week. I will freeze about half of each of these two because it's too much to eat in a couple days. You really should eat up leftovers within like 3 days, so that's gonna be too much, so we'll freeze some of that. But I really enjoyed this food, and I am not as flared up or wiped out as I normally am after Christmas, so that is great. And this was super frugal, and most of this food was free. This was free except for like the seasoning, but the vegan butter that I used, that was free. The sweet potatoes were free, and the vegan butter I used in there. This was not free, but the oatmeal and other additives, the seasonings and all that. The seasonings were not free, but the oatmeal was free that I used as like the breadcrumbs instead of breadcrumbs. So that was great. So that made that less expensive. So it's partially free. This was all free, except the sugar. The sugar and the sweetener was not free, but the crumble is made out of oat flour, and so that was free because I get free oats and I make my own oat flour. So this was a very budget-friendly, frugal Christmas meal. The juice that I mentioned a little bit ago, the apple juice, apple cider, spice juice, that was free, and except for the spices. So I managed to have, and no, there's no green veggies here because my daughter did make Brussels sprouts and green beans. I was able to eat those because she uses vegan butter also, like the crock something. I don't want to say the name because I'm not sponsoring it. I don't have any sponsors. So something crock. It's basically margarine. So it's not the best, but I only ate the 2 green veggies that she made. So that is my short little video on how I did with my Christmas dinner, and I had a great time with my family, and I'm very grateful and thankful. And I have a new toy I'll be sharing with you soon. And there is my plate, made up of a little bit of all of this stuff. And I'm using the same plate. I use this plate to make my toast for breakfast. So one of the ways I'm frugal is I just reuse the plate. Just wipe it off if there's anything on it and reuse it for another meal. So there's a way to be frugal and not do so many dishes. And so this is a super frugal meal. I'm just going to heat it up on the same plate that I use for breakfast, and I don't have to do any major cooking. Yay!